Welcome back to another video. In the previous video here, you learned how to make a bootable USB, and in this video, I will let you know how to install Windows 10, 8.1, 8 or 7 or even XP Windows with the help of this bootable USB you just made in the Rufus software. So let's dive into it. If you are unable to locate the video about making a bootable USB, then find that video in the end screen of this video. This is the USB. We just made a bootable USB here, and we need to plug in here, and first you need to check your partition, that's C drive. If you don't have any important data, then you just install it in C drive and see the size of these drives here first. After that, you just need to plug in this USB here. And now you can see that it appears somewhere here. You can directly go to this one as well, setup, or if it's not, you just simply go to this section, restart your system. Okay, we are restarting this system. For escape or F2 or F11, we need to see first. All right, it's shut down and now it's gonna restart again. Press F2 for setup. If there is no USB, you can go the boot menu and USB is selected here. Press escape and I just pressed F12 button and you can see that these are the options here, USB HDD and the other thing. So I just press this one, USB here. Okay, this is UEFI mode. It cannot boot in BIOS legacy. Okay, then we need to change. It says that the MBR partition scheme is required. So we made our USB in NPTs. We can just do this one again in the other laptop. I didn't check the partition scheme here, so I need to make it again and I'll show you how it works. Here we are. You just need to run again this software. And here it's already selected. Here only we need to select this bootable first. This is the ISO file. Here you can change MBR. Just name it SN as I'm working for him. Start, just press OK, and I'm making it MBR. This is done. Close button here. Close these files. Take this USB, bring it to the next laptop and plug in here. And now you try again. Restart again. 12. Now it's waiting. Select USB storage. Let's wait for a while. That's the Intel Core i5. Okay, you can select the language. Install now. Wait for this one. Just go for that. I don't have a product key. Windows 10 Home, whatsoever edition you want to install. Home edition is fine. Windows 10 Home, new one. You can just simply leave it and press next button here, and then it will ask you to format the existing one. I accept. Next and custom. Format this one. Okay. This is C drive. Remember, you need to see the system here. This is system. And now press the next button. You see that 50 GB and 59 GB free now. So just refresh. Everything is perfect now and it's ready to install. Next button. Okay, if you want to create some partitions, you can create. Now the Windows installation has been started. It will format and create new files. So you just need to wait for 20 to 30 minutes and everything would be done. Alright, so it has restarted after that one. You can have an eye. Whenever it's restarted, then you just leave it there. Don't press any button, because if you press F12 or anything, it will start again. So just leave it there and wait for the next procedure as I'm doing. It's gonna go to the next procedure. The files are already installed and the C drive is already formatted and it's empty. Now the new files are copied there. So let's see there. The installation procedure is already on the way and you can just wait for a second. The device is now starting and then you need to do some basic settings. Go for it. Your Windows would be ready. So let's wait and see what it says at the next stage. And enjoy the tea as well. In the next step now, let's wait and see what's next. Alright, so it's on the next stage. Some settings here. I just go for United States, English language, keep this part, wait for a moment now. Connect this one. Alright, next you just need to set an email. I can give a number. Alright, I created an account, updating, and after a while the window will start finally. Alright, create a pin. Okay, there was a funny thing that I didn't plug in the battery, so you remember to plug in the battery here. 0099. You can also see because I know you are not coming here. All right. Okay, so phone number, remind me later. I don't need to put it here. Accept. Press no. No need of history. No, I don't need to accept this one. It's all right. Right, so this is here, and just bring some icons here. Everything is done. Gonna take some time because it's like initiating the application. You just go to personalize, bring the icons here, disable this one. You don't need to hidden. It's all right. So boom, there we go. Everything is done. Now you can install basic software, whatever you needed. You can install it. This is how you install the window. Thank you very much for watching this video, and if you like the content, thumbs up, subscribe, and press the bell icon. So see you in another video on some other day. Bye bye.